Find the real me. So let's go, seize the feeling. 'Cause you know, it's time for the meaning. Now we show we're coming to win it. Find the real me. So let's go, seize the feeling. 'Cause you know, it's time for the meaning. Now we show we're coming to win it.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You have seen in the previous the beginning part, you can see my robot there. You can see the robot that and how it trades. Let me see if it is into a trade. Okay, this is the robot now. The robot is into a trade. Just watch. This is a live trade. This is a trade it took. This is the trade, this is the profit the robot took this morning, and the robot is on a trade currently now. So let us quickly forge ahead and see. Let me quickly run you through the video while we come back to this. So guys, this strategy is a fascinating strategy. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up where necessary. For those of you that have been messaging me that you want a live video of the robot trading, this is it here. The robot is trading currently because it trades on spike. Specifically, it trades on spike. This is the profit it made this morning. That is because I kept the loss size to be a little bit lower. Okay, so this is it guys, this is it. So guys, this strategy works specifically for the boom and crash 1000, but the robot is on a trade on crash 500. As you can see, it will keep on entering more trade, until when the market hits it uses its own confirmation. The robot is so fascinating. So if you want the robot, you can message me using my link in the description below to get to me, because this robot is very, very fascinating. This is very, very fascinating. This robot was developed by me. So if you want it, the link will be in the description below for you to message me.
Okay, now this strategy is a very simple strategy and it works very well. All you need to do is just to smash the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up where necessary, and again, don't forget we do account management, VIP signals. Let me turn off the Bluetooth. Okay, don't forget we do account management, VIP signals, and a lot more. We have an investment program ongoing currently, so give us a thumbs up where necessary. Now this strategy on the boom 1000, you need to check out this when a huge spike. A huge spike is when it hits the 90 level on the second indicator. I saw on the indicator window 1, when it hits the 90 level on the RSI, that is when you know that confirmation is complete. Now, sorry, let me show you guys this. This is where it hits and it touches here. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? It hits here and it touches here. Now let us say our the first moving average on the main chart. Let us say the first moving average on the main chart is our entry period, and then the second moving average is our take profit. Okay guys, so this is it. When you enter into your trade here, you enter into your trade here and it touches here, the 90 level here, you just cap up to this point and then you exit your trade. For some people, you can enter from here, from the beginning here, and this is how you enter from beginning. If you want to enter from beginning, you make sure this line here touches the 90 level. It touches, like it has not crossed yet, it will just touch. Okay, once it touches, you can see it's entering more trade. As you can see, it's entering more trade. So this is not me, I'm just explaining some few things to you guys on the video. You can see it's entering more trade and this is the profit it made. So let us keep watching. So guys, that is how you enter. Once it touches here, once it touches here, it touches the 90 level, you just go in for your trade and scalp up to this period. Okay, no spike is going to occur once the confirmation is at 90 level. This strategy is a VVIP strategy. I'm just giving that to you guys. Okay, so we are going to make money together. Okay, it's a VVIP strategy. So now that is it, guys. Let me show you guys another confirmation before we head in. Okay, now this is another confirmation here. As you can see, there's another confirmation here. When it touches the 90 level here, you can enter from here. No spike will occur, just like I said, till this point, this second moving average. No spike will occur until it gets to that place. No spike will occur. Okay, no spike is going to occur, guys. Just scalp with confidence. This strategy is a working wonder. It's a working wonder, guys. Now this point again, it touches here and watch, there's no spike. No spike is going to occur. No spike is going to occur. Okay, let me check again. Okay, the trade is still ongoing. This is a spike trade, so you can see it entered more trades. So guys, now this is another confirmation here to go in for your trade again. This is another good confirmation here. It touches from here, and you enter your trade and you scalp up to this point. Okay, so as you can see, this candlestick should be close to 20 to 25 or maybe 30, but let's just estimate that 20-25. That is how this strategy functions, guys. That is how it works. That's how it works. It's really good. It's really good. So guys, let me quickly show you guys the settings for this video. Let me show you guys the settings that I'm using three moving averages in total and one RSI. So now on my main chart I have two moving averages. Let me quickly show you guys the settings for the two moving averages. My parameter, the period is 21, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, style is 4 pixels of red. That's the style. I don't have anything on my level. Okay, so on the second moving average, the period is 51, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. So now let me quickly change this color so that we can differentiate from our entry point and take profit point. Let me see. Okay, now you can see it. These are take profit. The blue line now is our take profit point. The blue line is our main take profit point. So let us get back. The indicator windows 1. The indicator window, I have the relative strength index and the moving average. Now this is the relative strength index here. Period is 14, apply to close. Style is 1 pixel of white, and level is 10 and 90. That's what I have on my levels there, 10 and 90. Then on the moving average on the indicator window 1, the period is 21, sorry, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, style is 4 pixels of red. Now don't forget that this color here, you can use any color that suits you. Okay, you can use any color that suits you. That is any color you like, you can use them. It's not a must you must use mine, but just use the same setting and you can use your color. Okay, so that is it. Okay, our trade is still counting. Guys. Our trade is still counting. You see, it's still going more. You can see my account here is at $11,000, so it's still reading. So maybe I'll hold the video a little bit longer, or I'll pause it and come back when the trade is ongoing. But let me quickly just show you guys how the crash 1000 is first. Okay, this is for the crash 1000. Now the crash 1000, as you guys may know, is opposite. So at the time of when this trade was like this, at this point, I don't really like to use this stuff. At this point when this trade was like this confirmation was right, as you guys may know. At the point when this trade was like this confirmation was right. So that is it. I don't really know how to use this stuff very well. Okay, now okay, and at the same time, at the point where this one was like this also, when this point was like this also here, it was still the same thing at the point when it was like this. Okay, so now this is an entry point here. When it was like this is an entry point. Immediately it touches here, you scalp. But that is not a good confirmation, because a good confirmation does not move. Now okay, it keeps moving. Okay, this is a good confirmation here. It didn't move even while we wobble it didn't move. So you come here, this is where it touches here, it touches from here, and it takes us up till this blue line here, and then that is it, guys. That is how it functions. Let me check this man. Okay, it's still trading. So I think I'll pause the video and then I'll come back when it hits the spike, because it's actually trading for a spike, just like I said. So if you want this trading robot and you want the trading robot also, just message me. My WhatsApp contact will be in the description below. Give us a thumbs up. You want account management and all that, also message me, guys. We're actually available for account management. You want to invest on my platform, it's quite open for investment. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
So guys, as you can see, this is how the trade turns to be. These are the trade turns around to be. As you can see it now. The account added. Now you can see from here, from 170 plus, we are having 352. So this is how the trade ended up at last. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I'll subscribe. If you want to get this boat as well, don't forget to message me. Thank you.